Withdrawing money from Google Drive to your bank account involves a few steps, primarily focusing on transferring funds from Google services that may have generated income. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Check your Google accounts. Make sure you are logged into the correct Google account that has the funds you wish to withdraw. Navigate to your Google Drive and ensure that you have access to the relevant files or services that generated the income. Step 2. Access Google Payments. Go to the Google Payments Center by visiting Payments.google.com. Here, you can view your transaction history and any balance that may be available for withdrawal. Step 3. Link your bank account. If you haven't already linked your bank account, you will need to do so. Click on the Payment Methods section and follow the prompts to add your bank account details. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues with the transfer. Step 4. Initiate a withdrawal. Once your bank account is linked, navigate to the Balance section in the Google Payments Center. Select the option to withdraw funds and choose the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. You may receive a confirmation email or a notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to appear, which may take a few business days. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can successfully withdraw money from Google Drive to your bank account. Make sure to keep your account information updated and check for any fees that may apply during the transfer process.